So this morning. Oh.
Go on, darling, go on.
No, I never see say you.
No, go on,
no, you go.
You go.
No, you go.
You go. You go. Yeah. In this morning,
I've got so much time.
We'll be testing our knowledge of Jamaican history by guessing the answers to a series of questions based on significant historical events.
Okay. Harris? I do have to phone a friend because she's right here. Thank God.
Friend now, credit.
Yeah. Hey. Okay. Said to have originated from mainly Venezuela and Guyana in the Orinoco region of South Africa, this group of people have often been, these are the Tainos, no? Have often been described as the earliest inhabitants of Jamaica and the first to have come into contact with the Spaniards. So where's the Jeopardy music if this is Jamaican Jeopardy? What we don't have? So go on.
Someone answered.
Shane, wake up.
Where three worlds meet, man.
You saw him stay? No applause. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm only no officer.
Land of Springs. Zaimaka. Oh!
What did the Tainos originally name the island?
Is it a wrong bang or a sticky, sir?
That's what she said.
So why you wrong bang machine?
Oh.
And always depend on
my friend, no, come Mr. Jamaica, them one that word that's Zaimaka.
Shane don't know his history. Okay.
After conquering the Spaniards in 1655, the British renamed the island's then capital Spanish Town. What was its name prior to this?
San Diego de la Vega.
Bueno.
Villa de la Vega.
Villa de la Vega?
Then the San Diego de la Vega, me just say Villa.
Villa de la Vega?
I don't know about that one here. Can we have a judge's inquiry? Who's the judge, by the way?
I thought it was San Diego de la Vega.
We need a judge's inquiry to this one, please.
I could have sworn it was St. Diego, but maybe I wrong. So.
Judge's inquiry.
Yeah.
Next.
My another place named Villa de la Vega, not the town, you know.
Shane don't know this.
Sources of early Jamaican history document the earthquake of 1692 as being a great calamity that caused great devastation. What area was most severely impacted by this? I could have just be cute and say Kingston.
Port Royals, no?
Well, Port Royal is part of Kingston.
It's true.
So we can't just say Kingston, but
Which
Port Royal.
Okay.
And by the way, they say a tsunami is what
tsunami.
destroyed Port Royal.
Underwater.
Yes, a tsunami.
In 1831, Jamaica experienced what was considered as one of the largest slave rebellions in the British Caribbean. What was the rebellion known as? Is the Sam Sharp Rebellion? Was that 31?
Christmas Rebellion. It's the same one.
Okay. All right. Harris, we're going with this help, you know?
I never. Is it un-Jamaican always have the wrong energy? I joke names.
First indentured.
Workers come to Jamaica? That would probably be India.
What?
The
China?
Chinese came before the Indians?
China. Okay.
I thought it was the Indians first. My bad. I thought the Indians came first. What animal?
Is a crocodile.
Is it considered an animal or a reptile?
Ugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
This 1988 hurricane was the first that had direct impact to the island since 1951, which, by the way, 51 was Charlie. 88.
Water came into our rooms. We swept outside with the broom. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with its spoon. Yeah. Okay, Shane. Okay. The dish. Go on again.
Charlie and Gilbert. During the 1880s, the banana export business from this port in St. Catherine was booming. Banana export business from this port in St. Catherine.
have no.
No, you know, Soji.
I don't know.
Supporting St. Catherine.
Where?
What, Clive?
No, listen.
You're the worst.
Is what it are?
If you're saying 1880s,
I don't know.
I don't near one the bowlers.
Yes, I will. If I cricket to true, because we don't know.
If I cricket to true, because we support Olaba.
Which port is in Old Harbour?
Port Henderson. Oh, Clive wasn't bad. He said Forum. It was a wild guess.
No,
Port
this one never would have
Henderson.
gotten, because never was there. 18 how much?
Yes, that's true. You were right. It's Forum for true, Clive.
I joke, honest.
It's Forum for true. I didn't know banana came from there. Was there though?
Forum is in Port Henderson?
Well, they call right this a Forum.
Oh. Good job, Clive.
I didn't know bananas came out of there. Nobody cares.
A 92 or 94? 14.
Nobody cares when he
40, 94. 2? 94 one day, Columbus came Jamaica way, and joyfully
And then said he discovered our land.
a port in the Caribbean Sea. Yes, what again?
1494, the Taínos
by
discovered
Bogle.
Columbus. Bonus question. Led by Paul Bogle and George William Gordon, today marks the anniversary of which rebellion? That would be the Morant Bay Rebellion. Yeah.
I'm so grateful to Aaron's preparations, because let me tell you,
Yeah.
I made a drop on, you know.
Yes.
Out of many one people.
Yes.
Oh, so how did we do? We did exceedingly well.
Yes, we got
Good
an
job.
A plus.
High five.
Yeah, it's Pansy Cornwall's birthday today, by the way. She's 80
Oh, wow.
years old. Gotta big her up on that one.
Happy birthday, Miss Pansy.
Cornwall, happy birthday.
I like it like that.